Good evening, students. Today we will learn about chapter number 3, the food we eat. So, before starting the chapter, let us understand the meaning of the word food. So, the meaning of the word food is that the substance which we eat or which we consume in order to survive. যেগুলা খাদ্য আমরা যে খাই খাওয়ার লাগি কিতা লাগি খাই বাঁচবার লাগি খাই বাঁচার লাগি যেগুলা জিনিস আমরা খাই এটারে আমরা কিতা কইমু food কইমু. So the chapter will be we will come across this chapter and we will know about this chapter through a story of a girl called Shalu and a monkey called Motu. A girl saw one day she saw a monkey which was sitting eating a banana. Immediately she asked the monkey that monkey doing there. Then the monkey replied that he was eating banana, and also asked Shalu why do we eat or why we eat food. She very nicely replied that we eat food to get energy in order to work and play, in order to build our body and to keep ourselves healthy and fit. It is written here very nicely. You can see. So there are three types of meals we eat throughout the day. So one is breakfast. When we eat it we lunch we take in the afternoon, and the dinner we take at night. Alu also said that there are different kinds of foods which are called as energy giving foods. Energy giving foods such as bread. Here the picture is shown here. Here you will find the picture of energy giving foods such as bread, butter, rice, potatoes, pulses, etc. are the energy giving foods. We also have foods such as fish, eggs, milks, cheese and meats are called bodybuilding foods. These are bodybuilding foods. Also there are other foods called as protective foods, example vegetable, fruits, milk, etc. So all these foods are necessary to keep our body fit and healthy and to grow our body and to protect ourselves from various diseases. So people who used to take vegetables, and there are few peoples who are also called who takes meat on animal foods. So the people who used to take vegetables are called vegetarians, and the people who eat fish, eggs, meat are called non-vegetarian. You will see here on the vegetable items, and milk or eggs are called as vegetarians. So we used to drink milk every day. Milk is very important for a children for to grow. It makes the bones and teeth very strong. So I hope you also drink milk every day, which makes our bones and tooth stronger. And Motu said he used to drink water, and Shalu replied that she also takes lots of water every day, and it helps to clean our body. It helps to extract the dirty particles from our body. So we should take milk as well as we should drink much of water to protect our body fit, to protect our body from various kinds of germs. So eat fruits in raw form, and Shalu replied that yes, we also used to take or eat fruits which are some fruits we can take cereals and pulses need to be cooked before eating. So many fruits are there, many foods are there, many vegetables are there which we need to cook before eating, and there are different foods which different vegetables or fruits which are cabbage we can eat in both way. We can even cook, or we can eat in raw by making salad or similar things, similar food. We also take motto that we used to take sweets, fried foods and junk foods, and this should not be eaten, this should be eaten health. So we should avoid taking sweets or fried foods or junk foods. So we need to have a good well, and these there are some good eating habits we should develop them. So some good eating habits are wash hands before eating, before we start our meal. Wash hand before we start our eating. We should eat fresh and clean food. We should eat fresh and clean food. We food unnecessarily. We should take as much our need. Do not eat stale or uncovered food. Wash fruits and vegetables before eating. Do not eat too much food. Eat nutritious food. Avoid junk food items, fried food, and sweets. So these are the things we should, 8 good habits before eating we should. So by this information, exchanging information between the girl Shalu and the monkey Motu, Motu has thanked her and said goodbye.